In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to trade gold or XAUUSD on Tradelocker. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser or open up Tradelocker on your PC or mobile phone. Once I'm here, you'll simply need to log into your account. And once I'm here, it should look something like this. Once I'm here, you'll simply need to head over to the search bar over here on the instruments. And then you'll need to click XAUUSD like so. And then from here, it should look something like this, where the first one should be XAUUSD. And you can also see the spread and initial margin, leverage, day high, day low, description, like so. Once I'm here, you'll simply need to click on it, and then you'll be able to see the chart of it. Once I'm here, you'll simply need to open up the market order, and once I'm here, you'll simply need to choose between market or pending order. You can also add to choose a sell order or a buy order, and you can add trail stop or stop loss or take profit if you want to do that. Once I'm here, you'll simply need to go down to this lot size down here and choose how many lots you want to purchase. You can also choose to use USD instead of lots, and you'll just need to write in the amount of USD that you want to trade. Once I'm here, once you're done, you'll simply need to go down and click buy one, and then from here, you'll be able to see that the order has been filled. And if it's not filled already, it will be inside of the pending orders. But once it's filled, it'll go inside of the positions tab down here, as you can see right here. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!